Hi guys, it's me. Sorry if I sound like a 9-year-old. I'm outside and it's very windy. Also, I'm on the chair outside. Don't know why I mentioned that, but this video is because you're all amazing. Thank you for subscribing to me. I love you guys. And yeah, also go check out Soul Studio and XX Coffee Fox XX. They're amazing. I hope you guys are doing well. Also, thank you guys so much. Thank you. I'm just going to say thank you to you guys since you're all amazing. I hope you have a great day or night. And yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm going to say one last time, thank you guys so much. And yeah, bye. Thank you.